InvestEngine ISA app. The pros, the cons. InvestEngine ISA is a US-based app that offers tax-efficient investing through stocks and shares ISAs. But is it the right platform for your portfolio? Starting with the pros. First, tax efficiency. Contributions to the ISA grow tax-free, making it ideal for long-term investing. Second, low-cost investing. InvestEngine offers low fees and automated portfolio management, helping your investments grow faster. Third, simple interface. The app is beginner-friendly, allowing easy account setup, portfolio selection, and performance tracking. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited asset variety. Most portfolios focus on ITs rather than individual stocks. Another drawback is limited customization. Advanced investors seeking specific strategies may feel constrained by the automated approach. The surprising truth? Many UK investors overlook ISA's tax advantages. InvestEngine simplifies access, allowing anyone to start a tax-efficient investment habit with as little as one. In conclusion, the pros: tax efficiency, low fees, and simplicity make InvestEngine ISA great for beginners or passive investors. The cons: limited assets and customization suggest advanced investors may need other platforms. Overall, it's a convenient and cost-effective way to invest for the long term while maximizing tax benefits.